Create study guides automatically using NotebookLM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create study guides automatically using NotebookLM. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open NotebookLM in your browser and sign in with your account. After that, create a new notebook where you will add your study material. Now upload your sources such as PDFs, notes, research papers, or documents that you want to study from. Once the files are uploaded, wait a few seconds so NotebookLM can analyze the content. Next, go to the chat section and ask NotebookLM to summarize the material. After the summary appears, ask it to organize the information into clear study guide sections like key concepts, important definitions, and main ideas. You can also ask NotebookLM to generate bullet point notes, practice questions, or flashcards based on the content. Within a few seconds, NotebookLM will create a structured study guide from your material. Finally, copy the generated study guide and save it in your document or notes for easy revision. That's all for the video.